love to see you play here on Earth. We're excited to announce Neymar Jr. transfer to the Martian League. He will leave for Mars tonight.
Welcome to Mars, my friend. Here, you will find more than you expected. I can give you immortality. But there will be a price to pay. So, are you willing to pay the price, Neymar Jr.?
The world is not what you see. Find more.
Find more. Find X. Oppo.
You can subscribe by clicking on the circle. You can also subscribe by clicking on the tiny button on the corner of your screen. You can watch my other videos by clicking on them. Please like and share my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Hope you love this video and I will see you in my next video.